With regards to Ganesh festival, which is on 2nd of September, a meeting was held with all Ganesh Mandals, presidents of Ganesh Mandal of Panjim subdivision, which contains Panjim police station area, Old Goa police station area and Agasaim area. There are around 5 Ganesh Mandals in Panjim and plus 2 are of the police, one in JRP, one in Panjim town. So total 7 Ganesh Mandals are there in Panjim area, whereas 13 Ganesh Mandals are there in Old Goa area and 6 Ganesh Mandals are there in Agasaim area. So all these people, presidents of all of these mandals were present here. All these members were issued advisories earlier by me, stating what should be done and what should not be done. What are the precautionary measures they should take and what they should not. So accordingly, to brief them in a better way and to have an interaction, I had summoned them today here. So all of them had been here. I have insisted them basically 2 main things. First is that in the pandal there has to be a coverage of CCTV footage, which has been a prime necessity in today's time, which can be considered as a vigil eye. Secondly, my policemen will be there throughout 24/7 during this festival at the pandals. I have also told them to inform their neighbors, to their friends, whoever comes across or whoever they know who will be going away from this place to their native place to celebrate Ganesh, they should inform the police that they will be keeping their houses closed for a particular time, so that we policemen can depute some staff there to avoid any sort of a burglary, theft, etc. So basically, I have also told them to see that bursting of firecrackers next to the pandal can be, can create a harm, disaster. So it should be away from the pandal. And it should not be in such a place where it could be disturbs other people also. I have also told them what are the measures, precautionary measures they should take during the immersion. There are not many volunteers in the pandals, but I have directed them that they should brief their volunteers in such a way that volunteers do their duty in a proper way. They guide the people, they make a system of a queue and everything. There is no chaos where maximum footfalls are there. This is what I have told them, and I have requested them to have a very, I wish them a very happy Ganesh. It should be without any, it should be incident free. Everybody knows what is security. It's only thing one should brief. Now for example, a child knows what he should do, but still then the parent does tell them a question, put some question. Have you studied? Is it not that the child does not know that he has to study? He has to study. And he knows. He is doing that. He is studying that. But briefing is important to keep that thing into his brains that he has to do something what has been told by the father. Similarly, briefing is such, when I brief a person, this thing remains in his brains that yes, I have to get these things done.